The Blackwood project is one of the largest volume consumers of Accoya in New Zealand, downhill from the companies that are bringing it into the country. So when the senior team from Accoya came to New Zealand to see their distributors, the distributor recommended that they come and see the Blackwood project, and they agreed. I mean, that was nice for our small business to meet some guys from Europe. What really came out of it is we did a familiarisation program together. They talked me through a lot of their process and science behind Accoya. And then they inspected our business to see how we process the Accoya through our charring system and our brushing techniques. They wanted to do that to have a level of confidence that we weren't doing anything that was potentially detrimental to their product. And once they'd seen how we process and our systems in place, they were very happy to then allow us to become a certified, approved manufacturer of Accoya. So we are the only charring company in New Zealand that is approved by Accoya, and I guess what's good for us and what's good for people, our customers, is they can buy from us with confidence, knowing that what we do to the timber does not negatively impact any warranty type situation with their home and their cladding.